All right, in this lesson, we're going to look at increasing and decreasing functions. This is going to be very, very simple. So let's take a look here. So we just need to attach some vocabulary to something that you already understand. So a graph with a positive slope, we're going to call that an increasing function. A graph with a negative slope, we're going to call a decreasing function. And a graph with zero slope, which is a flat or horizontal line, we call that a constant function. So if we were to look at these three graphs here, we could assign one of those vocabulary to each one. We read graphs from left to right. So if you look at this graph is going up as we move from left to right. As we move across left to right, just like we read, this graph is going up, which means it has a positive slope. So this would be an increasing function. This graph is flat. It's a horizontal line. So that's what we would call a constant function. It's a constant because it doesn't change. It's the same no matter what. And then lastly, we have this graph here, which is moving down as I read from left to right. This line is headed down, which means it has a negative slope, which means this is a decreasing function. And that's it. Really, really, really simple. So this would be, let's add one more piece to this. We would put slope is positive. This one would be slope is 0. And this last one down here, decreasing function, this would be slope is negative. Slope is negative. So, and remember, your slope is the same thing as your rate of change. So when you're looking at your functions, slope and rate of change are the exact same thing. That's it. Pretty simple.